This is Redmi 90 that was brought to be fixed. This phone has 6000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel camera, display 6.53, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon, 4GB or 6GB RAM, storage 64GB or 128, and it has side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM, and it is splash-proof. This Redmi problem is that once you on it, it keeps restarting on its own. At first, you might think it's the power switch or the battery, which is some of the common issues. So with this Redmi, the problem was the battery, so it keeps rebooting, and the only option in which we have is to replace the battery. But instead of replacing the battery whereby it will cost us more, why not work on the battery to see if it can be fixed? Now, some of these problems are common with Tecno, Infinix, itel, and other smartphone, but with this Redmi, we're going to be trying these solutions on this same phone to see if it can be fixed. So the first thing we should do, we have to remove the battery so we can start work on this battery. Now this is the battery, we'll remove it, but the job has already been done, but I'm going to be showing you what I did on this battery, and it became perfect, started working normally. Now when you open it, you can see there is an alternation wire I use. There is a particular IC over here. We just had to breach the IC because this IC usually makes these phones like Tecno, Infinix, itel to keep rebooting on its own once there is this kind of problem. So instead of replacing the battery or throwing this battery away, we just need to run this connection on this IC which is at the battery. Once we connect it, you see that everything will work. So this is what we did on this battery. We open it, connect alteration wire on this part so that it can be able to work perfectly. Okay, now at the end of the whole thing, you can look at the phone. We've put it on, it's working, and everything is working fine. These problems are common with every other phones, most especially Tecno, Infinix, and itel, but I'm surprised to see these same issues on this Redmi battery. But it's quite good that some of these batteries, instead of making it to waste, it has solution so that we can be able to revive it and still use this battery. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel.